review and USB coffee maker is coffee, home and outdoor and tour coffee maker is very nice design is review and 25 review is 26 review and price and $19. Best quality and smooth tool and packages quality, USB charger and smartphone cable and laptop power bank and charging to set up this design. Expensive is very fantastic designs. By now, and one method is to buy now and fast delivery. You select shopping address, email address and city and country. Country select is United country select and total address United States and state and email address select and payment method is many available, PayPal and others payment method and debit card, credit card is free and total cost is shopping and single $19 total cost and two product add is single product payment and two product and on $14 and $19 and shipping by now.